G'day mates, how's it going? I'm Mr. GT, welcome to the channel. Today you find me at Greenway for the Cars Under the Stars event, and what a beauty this is going to be. The first car park's already full, so that video you go back and have a look at it if you haven't seen it already. And this is going to be part 2 video of the other car park filling up. Cars rolling in, so grab that nice icy cold beer, sit back, relax and enjoy the video. Check it out, full immaculate. Got the Datsun. Alright, these were the last cars, so we've got them all. These were the ones that tried to get in from the other side, but it got full, so I'm happy to have made it here in time so that we don't miss any cars. Check out the lovely Contact Firebird. Yes, indeed. This lovely Mustang. Deja vu. He's saying, I saw you at the other gate. What are you doing here already? There's the Mini. Check out the Wild Dodge Ute. Looking very tough. Yes, indeed. We've got the Plymouth in the yellow and black. Full immaculate. How are you, lad?
What about yourself?
Pretty good. Lovely GTX Plymouth. Got the lowrider Chevy. Check it out. Get a bit of a show going for us, maybe. Comes David in the Erupt. Sounding sweet. Mate, I wasn't going to miss you. I wasn't going to miss you. I came all the way round. Beautiful. That's one beast and a half, ladies and gents. Listen to the idle of that. And check out the Maloo, ladies and gents, full immaculate. Dave's Beast. Luxury and power and sound and looks. XTGT. Fully back. Check out the Calais, ladies and gents. Presented in beautiful condition. Very nice. One of those wild XR6s. Yes, sir. Check out the Tuff GTS. Yes, indeed. She's a driver, mate. Yes. That driver, mate, he knows. He knows how to show that car off 100%. XYGT in the blue. Check out the Savage GTR, ladies and gents. It's actually a GTSR. Wild. Luxury Lexus and a luxury Beamer. Check out the lovely Holden, ladies and gents. The special marquee, yes indeed. Ford GTR, Toyota 86. Thinking too far ahead. And there's Jimmy in his lovely Cortina. Full immaculate. How you going, Jim?
George, how are you?
Looking crazy, man. Wild. Beautiful. The Tuff Fairmont XD. Magic. I love that two-tone colour. Yes, sir. Check out the lovely Holden Utes. Check out the light blue coloured VKSS Group A. Nice. A lot of police cars had that colour from memory. Ford Falcon.
There's a tunnel down there that's got male female.
Ford XR6.
And over to the other side.
How we going? All good? That's the way. Nice to see you again. Full immaculate, the G6 Turbo Ford. No mucking around. And of course, that lovely SS Commodore VF.
We're obviously here tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Haven't seen them for a while, but they're here tonight. So if you guys want any quotation.
The Tuff matte green finish. Commodore Clubby HSV.
So Shannon, ladies and gentlemen. Market stalls in front of us, ladies and gentlemen. Market stalls are right next to Shannon as well.
Comes the Mustang convertible. Yes, sir. The lovely SS Commodore. Check out the Tuff Monaro GTS. Yes, indeed. The Magic Corvette Stingray. Yes, sir. check out the Fairmont gear, immaculate. That silver finish, beautiful. The one in the purple looking sweet, XR8. Got a bit of a Halloween going. Listen to this Tuff GDR, yes sir. Camiseta. That's power right there. Another lovely G6 Ford. Nissan Skyline R34 GTR, yes indeed, full immaculate.
For the people that have never been to my event, I just want to say welcome. Just let you know that we're a family-friendly event. We don't
And listen to the Tuff VC Commodore VH actually. Right, ESS. VF Commodore looking sweet. Oh, check out this monster. XWGT in the blue with a letterbox on top of the bonnet. Full immaculate. Got a nice deep bassy sound coming out of those pipes. A few more beasts rolling in. Mini probably looking for change before he comes in. And we've got another Nissan Skyline GDR R34 in that magic blue colour. Mustang. I have to say the Skyline was driven with a look of the Fast and the Furious style drivers. Check out the lovely Escort, yes indeed. MK1 RS. The Century, full luxurious and immaculate. Check out this XR6 shining like a star. Another Savage Ute with a cover on the back. Sitting very, very low. Check out the Tuff Ford, ladies and gents, immaculate. That's one magic colour, that is. And the Beamer behind it. Commodore SS. The magic blue. Cherokee Jeep. You could hear the whine of the little blower. Here comes that Mini that we were looking at earlier. He's got his change out and he's coming in. Full immaculate. Dub wagon. Centura. Nice V8. Verbal sound. Hot rod. in this magic purpley sort of a colour. Pretty good, how you going? Hello. Mini. Immaculate. Check out the BRZ Subaru. There's one immaculate GTP. And a VB Commodore in the yellow, about to roll in. Got a nice burble to it. Ford Escort, shining beautifully, super clean. And behind it we've got the Holden. Sounding nice, that Premier, yes indeed. Got the Continental. Have to take a step back, it doesn't fit in the viewfinder. That's how long it is. Might as well be an aeroplane. Alright, check out this Tuff SS Commodore VF. Ford. She's a barn find, that one. Falcon Futura. Another one, this one's a Ute. Check out this Tuff Ute, ladies and gents. The Ford F100. And the wagon Commodore, look how low that sits, eh? Nice kit on it, nice body kit, I should say. Managed to give it a bit of stick inside. But the Commodore, yes indeed. Tuff wagon, Commodore, ladies and gents. Nice. Listen to this beauty. SS. Another XR6. Mitsubishi Lancer. Check out the Holden. Check out the Tuff Ute SS. XR6 with a nice whine to it. And a Tuff HSV Maloo, yes sir. Beautiful. Oh, check out the Tuff SS Tirana hatchback. Check out this matte grey finished ute. Look at very Tuff the Maloo HSV. It's got a nice sounding burble. Check out the row of cars, eh? Here comes one mean XA. Check out this Savage XA four-door. Yes, indeed.
Right down at the front section.
Toyota. And there's Barney. Barney organises these magic shows.
Plenty of parking at the front.
Check out the twin cam Corolla. And Barney here responsible for the shows over here, ladies and gents. Check out the XR8. This beautiful colour. Mitsubishi Lancer. Mate, they're never on YouTube, man. Check out this beast of beasts. The RX-4, looking sweet. And check out this Tuff VL. Check out this lovely SS Commodore. Full clean car. Very nice. VY Commodore. Oh, this beautiful blue 64 Holden. It's got those little patterns, the silvery bit in the paint, which makes it look fantastic. Check out the Tuff Holden. Four-door, yes sir. Nice Chevy badge on the front. Love the finish. Check out the Tuff Chrysler, ladies and gents. Magic.
He's a Anna.
Crazy. VL Calais. Yes, sir. And the Honda. Full immaculate. Little Civic. And the bike. RX-7. In a beautiful sort of a wine colour. Little Daihatsu TS. Check out the VN Commodore. And of course the beautiful SS VX. The Caprice, or is it a Statesman? That's a Statesman. Those two. The V-dub, we're all going on a holiday. It's got the Valitsas on top, eh? Oh yes, there is one on there too, eh? He's going on holiday and he's going to the beach too. Oh fuck ya rao. Another VXHSV. And a magic bike. Check out the Ford ST Fiesta, I'd say. Let's have a look. Doesn't say. Undercover. The Cortina, the Cortifla, yes sir. With a letterbox on the front. Bit of a ground shaker. GDSR, HSV. Very few of these, mate. Very lucky lad to have one of those. Beautiful. VKSS Group A. 2 of them. Very nice. That one's a Group 3 actually. That's the 6. Mazda 3. Camiseta GTR XU1, the big V8 monster. Sounding tough as nuts. Tough as nuts. And there's one full clean G6 Ford.
Right next to
The little MR5 MX5. The Saab, Toyota, Cressida, XR6, full immaculate. Get the SS Camaro. And it's not tough as nuts, it's tough as nails. I made a mistake before. By me shitting him, of course. HSV. Nice colour. SS Commodore VY. The Chevy Impala Lowrider. Here we go, let's get a bit of a show. See what this little beast can do. Here comes a Ford workhorse. Utes. Nice looking XR6 in that lovely orange colour. Check out the magic Ferrari. Yes indeed. Beautiful.
On the spot.
Check out these bikes. And we have a ski loss, so woofy, woofy, woofy.
Go for it, go for it.
Another Magic XR6. Tough sounding Commodore Yes, yes. Nice colour.
Sorry?
The Beamer.
Okay.
Nice. Nissan Skyline. GTR. Bit of a turbo in the Toyota Cazzarola.
No, I wouldn't either.
Alright, two-door Cortina. No mucking around. Yes, indeed. The coupe. Check out the Tuff XC GXL. And the hot rod behind it. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Very nice indeed. Check out the Magic 2 bucket.
I know.
Check out the immaculate Toyota. Nice curtains. And the little Arbus, which reminds me of a commercial of some cigarettes. We used to have Ardith, you're a star. Who remembers that commercial? Alright, the Arbus. A very popular car in Europe. This is Commodore. Full clean. Oh yes. It's got a bit of a bark to it.
Show it the other way.
Check out the Tuff XY GT. And a Savage XE behind it, S-Pack. Nice burble of a V8. So the last spots are going to get, these are the last spots just here, they're going to get filled up by these cars. The lovely VL. Check it how immaculate this thing is. Full clean. Oh, XA GT Coupe. Beautiful. Love the colour on it. Nice Simmons. Nice and big. Exactly how I love these beasts to be. Sunroof as well. How would you be? Can't go wrong. not even 7 o'clock and it's already full. Once again. So I think there's one spot just there. That's it. That's the end of the show. So once again, she's filled up. Oh, he didn't take the spot. Anyway, that's it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we've come to the end of the video. The car park has filled out once again. That's 3 weeks in a row since I've been here. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for the support. Don't forget to go see part 1 from the other car park if you haven't seen it already. And we'll see you all in the next one. Bye for now.